what is a triangle? Here we are going to study about the definition of the triangle. Triangle means a plane figure which is bounded by three line segments is called triangle. For example, here in this triangle ABC, AB is the first side, BC is second side, and AC is the third side of the triangle. Here this triangle is consist of three sides, three angles, and three vertices. Here AB, BC and CA are the three sides of the triangle. In this triangle, AB is a one side, BC is a second side and CA is the third side of the triangle. Then next there are three angles in a triangle, that is angle A, angle B and angle C. Then next three vertices A, B and C. These three points are called vertices of the triangles. Then in ninth class we are learned that similar figures and congruent figures, that is now here similar figures and congruent figures. Here we know that the definition of the similar figures means the plane figures which having same shape but not same size, those figures are called similar figures. In similar figures the shape of the figures are same but not in same size. And congruent figures means the plane figures which having same shape and same size are called congruent figures. The plane figures which having same shape but not the same size, those figures are called similar figures. For example, here these two figures having same shape but not in same size, therefore these two plane figures are called similar figures. Similar figures means the same shape but not the same size. Here these two plane figures having same shape but not in the same size, therefore these two plane figures are called similar figures. Here also these two plane figures also having same shape but not in same size, therefore these two plane figures are also called similar figures. Then next one, congruent figures. Congruent figures means the plane figures which having same shape and same size are called congruent figures. For example, now here these two plane figures having same shape and same size. Here also these two plane figures are having same shape and same size, therefore these two plane figures are called congruent figures. Congruent figures means same shape and same size, those plane figures are called congruent figures. Now we have to study about symbols of the congruent figures and similar figures, that is now here we know that symbol of similar figures and symbol of congruent figures, but here we have to remember that all the similar figures are congruent, all the similar figures are not congruent figures, but all the congruent figures are similar figures. Here in this similar and congruent figures, all the similar figures are not congruent figures, but all the congruent figures are also the similar figures. For example, all the circles are similar. All the circles, we have to consider any circles, those all circles are similar figures. But another one, all the squares are also similar figures. All the squares, we have to consider any type of squares, those all squares are similars. Then all the triangles are not similar. It may be a similar triangle or it may be a congruent triangle. But all the equilateral triangles are called similar triangles. Only all the any type of equilateral triangles are only similar figures. Those are not congruent figures. Now consider one example, that is, now consider in this example, state whether the following quadrilaterals are similar or not. Here we have to say that given these two plane figures are similar or not. They told here state whether the following quadrilaterals are similar figures or not. Here they are given two types of quadrilateral. It is a square, but it is a parallelogram, but both are quadrilaterals, but these two plane figures are not similar figures because of in these two plane figures having not same shape. These are not in the same shape, therefore these two plane figures are not similar figures.